Hello, it's Lens Colors. These are all our color pencils. Let's learn the names. Light green color, pink color, red color, blue color, green color, orange color, pink color, yellow color, violet color, sky blue color, brown color, and black color. Let's draw numbers. Black color 1, pink color 2, orange color 3, sky blue color 4, pink color 5, blue color 6, green color 7, violet color 8, yellow color 9, brown color 12, red color 11, light green color 12, black color 13, light pink color 14, orange color 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.